My name is Wilbert. I'm the executive chef of the Greenville Drive. Today we're going to make something more fun. Basically using the same ingredients to make like 3 different dishes, 3 or 4 or 5 dishes, however you want to make it. But today we're going to make the burrito bowl, we're going to make the veggie tostada, and we're going to make a burrito using the same ingredients that we have in the house. So we have the steak, flour tortilla, corn tortilla, cotija cheese, cheddar, guacamole, sour cream, salsa. We don't have cilantro, so we're going to use scallions today. We got the iceberg, which is pretty cheap to buy anywhere. Lemon, lime, jalapeno, tomatoes, red onions, white onions. That's our ingredients for the cold part. But then we have the hot part, which is going to use nice fresh rice, nice corn salsa, fresh corn if you don't like beans. And we have the beans on the side as well, and the queso. You cannot have queso. Queso has to be on the recipe for sure. So the first thing you want to do is cut your red onions and white onions. Make sure that it's nice and brunoise or chopped, however you want to call it. And then you guys use nice lettuce, nice little arbors, iceberg lettuce. Then we're gonna add the jalapenos. And then you ice your nice beautiful scallions since we don't have cilantro. We're gonna add the tomato. Whoa. And there you go. Those are all your fresh vegetables. So the next thing you want to do is just get this beautiful, nice steak. Or you can use terrace mayo, you can use grilled skirt steak or whatever steak that you want to use. It doesn't have to be any fancy steak. Of course, strips. Very thin. And then you do this for it. So you can cook it faster on the grill. It doesn't take too long, and that way you don't overcook it. Okay, one that is done, just put it in there. I'm gonna put some olive oil again. Salt and pepper. Remember that nice lemon juice. And we're gonna marinate it. Alright, so once it's done with marinade, you're gonna grill it and try to create that charcoal. That's what you want on your. One is done, and then you keep it in there for 3 minutes. Flip it and leave it in there for another 2 minutes. And it should be like medium rare still, and that's when you take it out and let it sit for 2 minutes, and that should be it. So once the steak is done, we're gonna cut it, chop it. It's still gonna have the nice temperature inside. See, nice and juicy. How about that? So the first thing we gotta do is put the rice. It's about a cup and a half. Got the black beans. Got the lettuce. White onions. Red onions. Tomatoes. Cheddar cheese. Scallions, and don't forget the nice, beautiful steak that we just got. We have some guacamole, salsa, and voila. Got some rice. We're gonna make a burrito as well with the same ingredients. For this one, we're gonna add corn salsa. It's a little bit of corn, beans, peppers, onions, but we're still going to add some raw onions as well, some tomatoes, scallions, a little bit of lettuce as well, a little bit of cotija, cheese, and then we're going to add the steak. Then we're going to fold it. You keep bringing everything inside, and there you go. So the next thing, you know, I don't like my burrito just like that, so I like to sear it a little bit. Put it on this side first, a little bit of oil, so we can get this nice, beautiful color. Now that we have this, see, that's what I'm saying. So now that it's already nice and toasty, we're just gonna cut it. There you go. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the tostada, the veggie tostada. Very simple. Just put a corn tortilla in there and then just let it cook for a little while, for like 30 seconds, and then 30 seconds on the other side, and that should be alright. Now that 30 seconds has passed, we're gonna flip it. Another 30 seconds and it should be ready. There you go, done. Alright, so now we're gonna do a little salad for the tostada. We use the rest of our ingredients that we have in here to make a little nice salad. Again, this is vegan, gluten-free. Corn salsa, it's all vegan. And a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, lemon juice again. Very simple. When that is done, I'm gonna put a little bit of guacamole in here. Mix our little salad, and then we're gonna there you go. Voila. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoy making a steak bowl, burritos, and a veggie tostada. Just make sure that you guys using the same ingredients. You see, or you can make many different dishes with the same ingredients, and not just this. With the same ingredients, you can also make quesadilla, steak taco, and many different dishes at the same time. Make sure you tag us and on your dishes.